up, YouTube? Welcome back to our regularly scheduled series. Today is gonna be a little different day. The other day we tried to install the intercooler for the supercharger, and there were a lot of things that got in the way, like the raised bed components, splitter bracket. We ended up, we would probably need a custom intercooler, and we thought about it. We went back and forth, and we figured, he does want a turbo at the end, and we had
he want a turbo in the beginning.
Yeah, but and also we had a discussion that we didn't want to go through constant revisions on this build like my car. He just wants like a one and done, just do it once and buy once, cry once, so we figured a custom intercooler was gonna cost us what, probably 800 bucks. We said, fuck it. And we estimated if we sold off all the supercharger stuff, we probably put out another $1,000 and go boost. And we decided we're gonna go V-mount. So today it's gonna be a pretty boring video, but I promised you guys that I would do at least 2 videos a week. So we're taking this shit back off today, and then in preparation for the V-mount. So let's go. I'm not gonna bore you guys with taking this stuff off, but it has to be done anyway, so it is what it is. Sad day. I really wanted to try this supercharger too, but gotta do.
I've been waiting for 8 months to have my car start again, and then.
Well, just look at the bright side, bro. It's as slow as it was
3 months before the car be running.
Hey, at least summertime comes, bro. It's gonna be bangers, bro.
Are you sad now, Goku?
Yes, I'm very sad. I want the car to start. I've been waiting for it.
Does that mean we have to push my car back a few months?
Just about.
Wow.
I'm not giving him this ball though.
Oh, the one we had in there?
Yeah.
Bro!
Man, you know what? I found an NSX.
It's not my fault.
Clean, man, for 65K. It just popped up yesterday. Bro, if they would have popped up last week, I wouldn't have picked up that Raptor, man. I kind of hate myself right now.
It's not my fault.
I knew it was gonna happen too. I knew it.
You should have looked for like an NSX while you were at the dealership.
It's not my fault. I was waiting for him too. I was like, bro, just go get it.
You can sell the Raptor to Goku.
Oh, ask Jaden. I didn't want to go.
Yeah, he didn't want to go.
Your sister, bro.
Yeah, I keep asking your dad, are you going or not, so I can go. Well, the good thing is, we have to this off for the next owner. Huh? We'll clean all this off for the next owner already.
Yeah. It's a sad day. Not really sad.
Here,
Once we.
What was the budget for Batman?
You think the darkness is your ally. I was born in the dark, raised by it, molded by it.
Whoa. Talk like Batman.
The Dark Knight.
Take it out now. Put this.
Cooler engine, faster engine, more powerful engine because the engine gets hot. Jaden, that's how the chargers work. With a turbocharger, instead of using a belt to spin the turbine, it uses exhaust. Huh?
Need the pin?
Yeah. All right, Instagram buyer. I took your charger out, bro. It's heading your way now. Not gonna tell you who it is, but
what?
if you see a polished HKS supercharger, that was ours.
What are we doing now?
We're gonna clear all this out, and then we're gonna try Boo's manifold because I got Boo's manifold here that I'm supposed to be Cerakoting and stuff for him. So I'm gonna test it on this car. And I don't care, okay? I didn't ask for permission, alright? I'm gonna just do it. No, I'm just kidding.
You texting it?
Yeah. I'm gonna call him. This is Porsche. Porsche. Mr. Porsche.
Damn, I still have an extra pulley.
Please leave your message for
Dang!
Damn, like that?
Now you have to do it without permission. No, I'm just kidding. You should email him. Just to see if he'll reply.
Bro, you on YouTube. Hey, can I borrow your manifold and kind of mount it on the blue car? See what it looks like?
Yeah, go for it.
All right, yeah, just wanted to ask for permission first, bro.
Yeah, you good, bro.
All right, bro. Later. Say bye to the
Bye.
YouTube channel.
Later, guys.
All right. Bro, can you...
Here, just chilling for no reason. Ballistic belt.
Yeah, ballistic belt.
Bro! It's red.
By order of the Peaky Blinders. The Peaky fucking Blinders, mate.
Seriously, I don't know which one.
Tom Shelby.
By order of the Peaky Blinders.
What you doing? Huh?
All right, we got Boo's manifold here. We're gonna see what it looks like on this car. And then I'm gonna put Boo to shame and show him what a clean engine bay would look like with a turbo setup. You know what I mean?
God damn, you're gonna put this turbo setup on there?
Here you go, boys!
That's the manifold?
Oh, God, this is heavy. Ooh. Oof.
Oh, you have turbo?
Come on, bro. You want me to drop this on your car?
Sheesh! You're gonna Cerakote that?
Yeah.
Where does this go? You gonna trust me with it? I think I took that off.
Unclip that.
The VTEC manifold?
Yeah, unclip that.
Take it off? No.
Nah. Are you gonna put that in?
Remove this.
My God! Are you not supposed to run the...
The VTEC. You remove
VTEC
this.
solid
You
there?
remove this.
Alright, we'll be back, guys. Until we can figure this out.
What the hell?
We're scratching the bolts.
The studs don't fit.
The wrong bolt placement or whatever. Look, they don't even have the holes for it.
Are you dumb, Jen?
I'm not dumb. Look,
Are you dumb?
count how many holes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, man, I'm done.
It's tight fit.
It is very tight.
You sure want to put it in?
You put it in. There's no telling what might happen.
Yeah, I'm sure I want to put it in.
This part right here.
No, that's not the problem. It's hitting the stud, bro. See that? Stud is too long.
Hitting the stud. The stud hit right here. Didn't go up yet.
I know. Because that stud in the corner keep it from going in. Corner. Well, guys, this is too much work. I'm not even gonna do it.
Alright.
All right, so I took that stud out. I'm determined. I am determined to see what it looks like.
Question is, it'll be easy putting it on, but will it be easy to take off? Another stud out?
Yeah. Move that wire.
What does it say on there?
X performance. Oh, I see where it's hitting. It's hitting this sensor right here. Wasn't the stud that was hitting. It was indeed the sensor.
Taking it off too?
All right, boys. They say third time's a charm, right?
Where are my lucky charms? Oh, you got it?
Like a glove. Just put one right here and one right there.
Wait, if you took off the oil sensor, then where are you gonna put that? But you know that's not gonna work.
Relocate it, bro.
Gosh.
Sheesh.
Nice. Can't wait to have it, huh? On yours? Your own?
We don't know how long. Could be 6 months.
There you go.
What? Then let me.
Whoa.
Yeah,
If you watching this, bro, this is how your babies look, bro. You see that? Look at how sexy that is. Sheesh.
It's not the thing.
Well, I guess it's decided, boys.
Hey,
Boost
but we're not
season is
getting back to
coming.
you.
So, sorry, Vu. I'm gonna unfriend you, and we're gonna keep this manifold, bro. Peace out, and I love you guys. That's it for today's video. Authenticity is king. Peace.
Bye.